and through.
Yeah, Fred. Oh, wow. Look at that thing. All yours. Here's what I'm making. Holy cow. Look at that thing. Look at you. It's huge.
You said you wanted new equipment or different equipment? We got different equipment.
I'll be damned. This is going to change everything, Fred. I'll tell you what.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
This is so cool. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, you've earned it. Fire it up.
The Dakota boys can finally get back to chasing their 160-ounce gold.
I hope to see a lot of gold come past through that bucket. Shoot, we ought to be able to run twice as long now.
I agree. Get twice the amount of gold, too.
I think this is going to make our season end with a good ending. I do.